I'm Scott Anderson and I'm the supervisor of MASSLAM Finishing Shed. So I am in charge of the wrapping crew and the finishing crew. In the finishing shed, we fill, sand, coat all the beams before they head off to the wrapping department. When the beam gets into the wrapping department, they protect the beam by putting core flute around it, cardboard corners, and then they put plastic wrap over the top with binders and cleats underneath, ready for transport. So what we do by filling is getting the product that we're delivering back up to the surface, and then we'll sand the beams to the accordance of what the client has asked. Coating and finishing the timber makes it easier for on-site because the product's going to them ready for them to install as soon as it gets to site. They need to protect them from the elements. We put a first coat of uni oil on them to give them some protection, but they'll have to protect them from the weather. And then once they're installed, they'll have to finish off their final coats to protect the timber's life for a long time. We use Proctor wrap on the ends of the beams to protect them from moisture, because your end grain of a beam will absorb moisture more than a side grain, so that gives it a protective film, so then moisture can't soak up the end and it won't dry out. The clients should follow our expert advice for coatings to make sure the timber lasts the life the timber should, and to make sure it stays at the quality it is.